Hello, guys. Welcome to the channel Tech It Simple. Today, we're going to look at how to group notes in Google Keep. Now, let's begin. Firstly, open any web browser of your choice and go to Google Keep. Make sure to log into your account. After you have logged in, let's look at the left side panel of the screen. There are notes, reminders, edit labels, archive, and trash. We focus on the edit labels section. We click on it and let's add a few labels, Group 1 and Group 2. Now that labels have been successfully set, let's group the notes. Let's hover over a note and click on the More icon. Let's give it a label, Group 1 or Group 2. The Tasks note is Group 2 and the Homework note is Group 1. When we move to the Group 1 section on the left-hand side, we will see the Group 1 notes, and in the Group 2 section, we will find the Group 2 notes. That is how you group the notes in Google Keep. If you liked this video, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.